Why? Because not only are the Jews lost in space right now and living in the diaspora, feeling comfortable, I got my mansion, I got my cars, I got my job, I got my Bitcoin, I'm comfortably numb in the galut, leave me alone, I'm okay. My bank account is fat, I've got married, got kids, I got a good life. Israel, I heard it's tough there. I heard the people are rough and tough. I heard that everything's expensive. What happened? When did the desire to move to Israel and live in the Jewish land become an option and not a goal? The month of Av and the month of Tammuz is Tikkun Re'iyah v'Shmiyah. We're supposed to rectify our vision and our hearing. We're supposed to rectify the way we look at the world, the way we see life, the way we talk, the way we interact with another Jew. Tammuz and Av, the months that belong to Esav, are the months that highlight, that emphasize the things that we've been struggling with all of our lives. Anyways, in this lifetime and for 2,000 years. We can't look at another Jew and be happy. We can't look at another Jew and be connected and be united. It's tough for us. It's hard for us not to talk negatively about one another. It's tough. We have sinat chinam. It's not something that happened 2,000 years ago. It's something that's happening live and alive right now.